In this demo, I'll walk through the newest mobile updates across 3 themes: AI enhancements, user experience, and workflow acceleration. Technicians can now start the day with AI-generated briefings that provide a quick overview of their schedule, including where they're going, what they're doing, and what materials and tools they'll need. The summary helps me prioritize my day, confirm I have the right parts and tools, and head to site with confidence. This means smoother execution, fewer delays, and higher first-time fix rates. Technicians can now generate AI activity summaries for completed jobs. So instead of writing reports manually and getting uneven detail from one technician to the next, summaries can be created automatically with the option to configure what's included. The result is faster closeout, more consistent documentation, and less time spent on admin. Technicians also benefit from a configurable quick action bar, putting the most used actions conveniently one click away. This reduces taps, speeds up everyday workflows, and drives stronger user adoption. Lastly, the app can now pre-filter technicians assigned to a job. This means team leads spend less time searching through long lists and can enter updates faster, keeping execution moving and simplifying data capture. And that's a wrap for the key mobility highlights in 2602. More to come in 2605, so stay tuned.